Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best wall-mounted automatic soap dispenser available, the Secura 17oz Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser. This dispenser isn't just your average soap pump. It's a game-changer in hygiene and convenience, offering touchless operation and adjustable soap dispensing volume control. Let's start with its standout feature, touchless convenience. Equipped with an infrared motion sensor, this dispenser detects your hand from as far away as 2.75 inches, ensuring a hygienic hand-washing experience every time. But what sets this dispenser apart is its adjustable soap dispensing volume control dial. Whether you need just a little soap for a quick rinse or more for a thorough hand wash, you can easily customize the amount dispensed to suit your needs. And let's talk about aesthetics. With its attractive chrome finish and clear soap container, this dispenser adds a touch of elegance to any bathroom or kitchen countertop. Plus, its wall-mounted design helps reduce clutter and save valuable counter space. But it's not just about looks. This dispenser is built to last. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's water-resistant and suitable for both commercial and household use. And with a 17 ounces capacity, you won't find yourself constantly refilling it. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the ease of use, durability, and overall performance of the Secura automatic soap dispenser. Plus, with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, you can purchase with confidence. So if you're in the market for a reliable, hygienic, and stylish soap dispenser, look no further than the Secura 17oz Automatic Liquid Soap Dispenser. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique.